So if you are feeling solemn, but you are seeking solace, buy yourself a motorbike. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel, Smiles Per Gallon. How is everybody? Hope you're all feeling above average today. I'm sure you are. So it's Friday and I'm on my way to work. I just thought I'd bring you along for the commute. It's not far, and what I will do, I will reset my camera as I'm coming home, and I'll do a vlog on the way home as well. Couple of things to note. This should be the last time that I am using the GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition for my vlogging, as I have ordered a brand spanking new camera. Have a guess if you think you know what it is. It should be here by Sunday, so I just wanted to do today as a last vlog with the GoPro Hero 8. I might still use it and put it on handlebars, I don't know. I'll give you a bit of a clue. The other camera, it's not a GoPro. You probably know what it is now. It's got interchange like mounts that quick release and everything, so I don't really need two cameras anyway. I can just have a mount on the handlebars and a mount on my helmet, and click with a squeeze and a click, it comes off and goes onto other mount. So yeah, I've got that coming shortly, so that's it should be here Sunday. It's Friday today. I've got the weekend off work bike, so yeah, finish about 6 o'clock tonight, so that's all and good. I should have had a school run this morning, but schools are off at the moment, the one that I had, so I get to start a bit later. Down on my hours, but who cares? It's only 1 week. It's a very, very short commute. It probably takes me 5-10 minutes at most. But traffic were a bit heavy today coming out of Pontefract, but and I think I've put my seat up lowest position because my legs felt a bit cramped up at first. So when I've been rushing about putting my seat back on last night to get bike ready for this morning, I think I've put it on lowest position by mistake, but I'll sort that for the ride home. But it's a lovely day, and it's going to be a nice weekend as well, which is good. The Oliver's mount thing that I was on about in my last vlog is I've cancelled it this time because I've just bought a new camera and it was quite very, very expensive. But I will do a big reveal on the camera. So I've had a delivery, so I just thought I'd do a little bit of an unboxing video, and then I'll get out and do a ride. So I've bought a new camera and some bits and bobs to go with it. So I have bought the DJI Action 3. The reason I got the 3 over the 4 is it's 100 quid cheaper, and to get the 4 wouldn't really benefit me so much because I don't do that much night riding. And I certainly don't vlog it. I know it's supposed to be absolutely phenomenal, is the DJI Osmo Action 4, but on a night, because it's got the night sensor, but this also has a night sensor as well on it. I've not unboxed this yet. It's still got a cling film on it. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to get this unboxed and see what's inside it. So let's have a look. So you've got your instructions on the box. Actually fixed to the box. I'm assuming this must be to scan code and then download the app. Oh, a couple of DJI stickers there. That's cute. Some silica gel. I'm assuming that's a charging cable or the cable to transfer all the data over. Got like a little cage that goes around the camera, so I'm assuming that's for safety, just to get the camera a bit safer. That's cute. It's nice.
some kind of rubber ring. I think that goes round the lens on the camera to protect the lens. We have a suction mount, some kind of suction mount, or is it a magnet mount with the magnet mount on it? That's where the camera fixes on. A battery. Now, I've heard these batteries are absolutely phenomenal, honestly. They last about an hour and a half, I believe, so they look a lot like the GoPro battery. But they're not. They're not the GoPro battery, trust me. And some instructions. Yes, some instructions in there as well. We'll have a look at them later. Here's to the best bit of the camera. Right, I'll just take the cling film off the camera while, because I'm going to have to turn you off for a second. So I'm just going to do a size comparison against my GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. Now, the Osmo Action is a little bit longer, but the GoPro is a good bit wider. So yeah, anyway, we'll forget about the GoPro. The GoPro's been playing up, hence why I've bought this new camera. Now, something else you're going to need is a mic adapter, which is this. Okay, this plugs directly into the camera. I use a Purple Panda lavalier mic. Reason being, I don't like wireless mics. I've seen that a lot of motovloggers have had problems with them, and I've never had an issue with this mic. It's absolutely second to none. So what you need then, because this mic is a TRRS, can you is it focusing on? Which means it's got three rings on it. You need to convert it to 2 rings. So you buy one of these, a female, for that to plug into there. So that goes in there, and then that plugs into that. I can't actually plug it in because I'm doing it with one hand, and then that goes into the camera. I will bob a link in description for this. It only costs 20 quid for this, or you can buy one from DJI, which is like a block that actually clips onto the camera, and that costs about 45 quid if you buy it direct, plus postage and packaging if you buy it direct from DJI, which I've not tested. This works, but I've not actually done a vlog with it yet, so I'm not 100% sure if the sound quality is going to be good. If it isn't, I'm buying a proper one from DJI rather than buying an aftermarket one, because you have a lot of problems with these aftermarket parts. Right, I think all that's left to do now is get this stuff together and go out for a ride. I'll do a full review on the camera once I've got it on my helmet and I've been out for a ride. Then I've edited the video, because obviously I don't know how they run. I've watched YouTube videos, and I've had a couple of I've asked a couple of people that I know that motovlog, and they've said that this is a phenomenal camera. Beats a GoPro, doesn't overheat or anything, and my GoPro started overheating a little bit, and the battery was swelling up. One of the batteries started swelling up with it overheating, so hence why I've gone to try one of these DJI Osmo Action 3s. Right, so thanks for watching the video. I hope it helped anybody. If you like what you see, just give us a like and a subscribe. That'd be fantastic, and tickle that bell icon. I'll see you later, guys.